Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure you're signed into iCloud and contact syncing is enabled so restores will apply. Once done, confirm there's a recent iCloud or iTunes backup to use. This is what can restore deleted entries. Plug the iPhone into power and join a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid interruptions. Now open Settings and tap your Apple ID to check Contacts is on. If it's off, turn it on and wait for iCloud to attempt to sync. Next, restore contacts via iCloud, COM or a device backup, on a computer sign into iCloud. COM, open Account Settings and choose Restore Contacts. Pick an archive dated before deletions and click Restore. This merges that archive into your account. Deleted contacts reappear without overriding current data. If you prefer a full device rollback, use an iTunes or Finder backup. Backup current data first, then restore the older backup to the iPhone. Make sure contacts sync completes before proceeding. Finish by verifying restored contacts in the Contacts app. Force close and reopen if they don't appear immediately, and give iCloud a few minutes to sync. If some entries are still missing, toggle contacts syncing off and on in Settings your name iCloud, then restart the phone to prompt a fresh sync. If that fails, restore a full device backup you made earlier or use Apple support for deeper recovery. One key tip: don't overwrite good backups. Make a current backup before any full restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.